This is an extract from our AHK Hero Club. We have calls 3 times a week. Please like the video if you learned something.
Did you see the Claude came up with that agents where you can have all your sessions in one window?
Your dashboardish thing.
Yeah, the dashboard where you type in A/agent and then you can add all your other ones in there and it'll tell you where it's at.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, that's pretty good because you can have multiple windows and not worry about it.
Yeah, and I think his name Simon was saying because he had built his own dashboard and he's like so did a lot of other people and he's like he really he's like I'm going away from my own dashboard. He's like I do like this, but he did have words of caution of like, don't go crazy with how many different things that you have going. He's like most people, I think he said 5 was like the optimal for him or something. And I'm like I think it was maybe even higher. And I'm like, yeah, that's a lot to keep going.
All different conversations. Yeah. I was
Yeah,
thinking the most I probably would use it for is about three, but that's
that
just
was,
me because I mean,
yeah,
and they're all three would be different, but it'd be enough where I can like, oh, you know what? This is an easy dashboard now, and I can just tab down because I was thinking the thing you were showing last week. I wonder if that could get it somehow. You're notifying like
yeah,
when something comes back in that it still can pop up which one is which. I don't know, but this way you're not typing in the wrong one anymore by accident. You know what I mean? Because you're actually just tabbing over to the right one because it's telling you what's done.
yeah, I'm with you.
Yeah, I wasn't sure if you saw that.
Yeah, no, I thought it was, well, I still say like that, profile switcher that we demonstrated a couple months ago, we just haven't had time to get back to it, is something they gotta be working on, right? Because you should easily be able to have different instances of Claude with different skills, MCPs, agents, and other things enabled and disabled. You know what
Right.
I mean? Because
Hmm.
you're totally wasting your token. Like, how in the world of those guys, if you have, let's say he has 8 different things going on, that means if you're working in very different things, you have to have the same crap on for everything, right? Like, I don't think there's a way.
Well, I think for the MCPs, those are loaded when you start Claude, regardless.
Sure.
Skills, you can have it set where certain skills are only called when you're doing certain things, so you're not you wasting on that.
Well,
Um,
no, their name and their description are loaded regardless, right? But still, those are tiny, right?
they're tiny, right? Because it just needs to know about. I know in my project folders, there's always another .claude folder in there for that particular project. So the way Claude told me is it reads the main Claude folder that when you start it, but if you tell it to go into a project folder and it sees a .claude, it'll read that
Well,
file in there. So I'm not,
yeah.
you know, I'm going to assume it's telling me the truth when it comes to that. So
And that was where I was talking to Irfan. What was it on, Irfan? Do you remember? I mentioned, I know you can have your claude.md file in your main one that's global, but then you can have project claude.md
yes,
files as well.
correct. Yeah.
And maybe some of our agents, we should be thinking, not just, sorry, the agents and the skills, we should, be using them in subfolders. But I mean, right now, everything we're doing is, for the most part, AutoHotkey.
Yeah,
So I don't have a problem. We're so focused on AutoHotkey, it's fine, it's global. But maybe there comes a time when we're doing more with websites or other things.
Well, even if you're working on that inspection tool you just started today, you showed, you can have a folder with that into its own thing with a Claude.md. So it's all focused on that. You still have the main Claude that it knows all about AutoHotkey, but when you start working, you say we're going to work on this, it just knows that it's focused on this. It's not going to look back at anything else that you're working on. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it'll be more focused. Do you follow what I'm saying?
I would phrase it slightly differently, I think, but it's still, I'm with you. Because it's not the look to me, the looking back on, but it's the other things are taking up the memory, right? But
Yeah, that too, right. And and if you say, hey, back in blah blah, and we did this, you can have at that point it has kind of the permission to go back and look at that other thing you were talking about. You know what I mean? Because you solved the problem there or something.
I would say there are like global and local. So if you have like in .claude MD somewhere, skills and the other stuff in the folders. They are global, and if you put Claude MD in your local folder, local project, and then skills and the hooks and the agents, they will be local to that project. I will rephrase that like that. So local and global.
Right.
Okay,
Well,
yeah, more segregated.
and not only that, Irfan, actually, so our S drive for us, I mean, let's just pretend. Let me say it, and I'll probably lie. Everything under our S drive is AutoHotkey, right? We could have other things that are different, and that way we put all of our AutoHotkey skills in the S drive thing, and that way everything beneath it, it knows it uses it for all that stuff because it's inherited, right? And then when we have, to David's point, a sub thing on this one inspection tool, that goes in the project folder of that thing. And now the other AutoHotkey things don't see it, but they still see all the AutoHotkey stuff, right? But what we need also is outside of that, our blog post stuff and helping with other non-AutoHotkey things.
Right. I mean, that's what I have mine set up. I have as an AI project thing. This way I know everything's all listed. But in there, I got other things, websites, my AutoHotkey stuff. Python is in a folder inside that, or that master AI thing. It's just Claude said that was probably the better way to organize it because it keeps it separate and it doesn't get confused unless I tell it to go look at it.
Grab 25% off all our AHK goodies, courses, scripts, and custom work so you save cash while building your toolkit like a boss. Explore our huge library of 466 plus hours of recorded AHK tutorials. Watch, rewind, and master tricks at your own pace.